Hey everyone, it's Trish and welcome to my channel, Trish's Healthy Appetite. If you're new to my channel, this is where I post vegan, plant-based recipe videos every week, and I also post a vlog on Sundays so you can check out what we've been up to. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Piña Colada cake. So get ready to dive right into summertime as this cake is moist and full of pineapple flavor, and it is only matched with my crazy delicious coconut cream cheese frosting. These flavors are perfect together. And did I mention that this is oil-free? Yep, you can thank me later. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at what is needed to make the cake, and then we'll move on to the frosting. First, you will need a vegan cane sugar, baking flour. I'm using a gluten-free 1-to-1 ratio baking flour, baking powder, salt, ground turmeric, a can of crushed pineapples, almond extract, vanilla extract, and 2 vegan vanilla yogurt cups. Okay, let's get started. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I do want to mention that the full recipe is in the description box below with all of the exact measurements that you're going to need. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is drain the pineapple, and you're going to use that juice for the wet mix. Go ahead and pour the juice into a measuring cup, and then go ahead and add in all of the remaining wet ingredients. Okay, once you've added all of the wet ingredients to the measuring cup, go ahead and give it a stir and then just set it aside. Next, get a large mixing bowl and go ahead and start adding the dry ingredients. Once you've mixed the dry ingredients, what we're gonna do is, instead of oiling or greasing your cake pans, you're gonna use the fruit to act as a grease, if you will. Believe me, it works. So just grab a handful of the pineapple pulp and then just rub it around the pans. And by the way, I'm using 2 9-inch cake rounds. Next, go ahead and add the drained pineapple pulp to the dry mix and then pour in the wet mix. Now go ahead and mix the wet mix and the dry mix together until just combined. You don't want to overmix, otherwise the cake can come out really chewy and bubbly. Go ahead and pour the cake mixture into your cake pans and make sure that you pour them evenly. Go ahead and place them in the oven, and we're going to bake them for 30 to 35 minutes. So what I'm doing here is I'm just quickly pressing on the top of the cake, and this is how you can tell if the cake is done or not. The cake should bounce back. So what I'm showing you here is that these are not bubbles at the top, these are actually the pineapple fruit showing through. Go ahead and keep the cake in the cake pans and place them on a cooling tray so that they can cool completely. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the frosting. To make the coconut cream cheese frosting, you're going to need a tub of vegan cream cheese, lemon juice, vegan powdered sugar, coconut extract, vanilla extract, and optionally, you can add some salt. As I stated previously, the exact measurements for each of the ingredients for the cream cheese frosting are listed in the description box below. So this is just a fast-forwarded version of me creating the frosting, just so that you can quickly see the technique. So you're gonna add the cream cheese and the flavorings to a bowl, you're gonna mix those together, and then you're gonna add in the powdered sugar. And you're gonna wanna add the powdered sugar cup by cup, just so that it doesn't make a huge mess. In the end, this is the texture of the frosting that you're going to need. Now let's go ahead and assemble and frost the cake. This cake was so good, everyone loved it, and I'm sure your friends and family will feel the same. You can take this recipe and make 24 cupcakes, or you can half it exactly and make a single layer cake or 12 cupcakes. I also have a recipe for my carrot cake coming soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that video. As always, this recipe is in the description box below. If you try out my recipe, tag me on Instagram at Tricia's Healthy, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button below so that you can subscribe, and that way you can be the first to check out my new recipes. I upload new recipe videos every single week, and I also post a vlog on Sundays so you can catch a glimpse into our vegan, plant-based life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.